Blessed day, my people. So today, Chef's Haye's Kitchen, a special edition, special episode. So we're live and living color in the flesh, in Jamaica, in Kingston. So today, in the kitchen, what's gonna stay in there? We're gonna make up some of the food we're gonna do today. And I'm gonna keep it nice and healthy and simple, and organic is something can't do normally every day. So we're gonna make some soursop juice. Yeah. So stay locked in. Watch how we make some soursop juice. Alright, let's up. I should have went into a little bit on the soursop. How good soursop is. So, soursop is a fruit that it's very exotic fruits you can't really get from many places. If you're getting it abroad, you got to pay a lot of money for it. And it's been said to be like better than chemotherapy, so it's like a heal of cancer. So it does a lot. It helps a lot. There are many health benefits. So yeah, so it's a superfood. It's a fruit that we should all consume as much as possible. So instead of eating the fruit, you can make a juice slowly, run up that. So yeah, man, that's what we're gonna do today. Gonna get the local pans ready and that. I actually got this soursop, to be fair, from Portland, so in the countryside. I brought it down into Kingston. I got it fresh, picked off the tree, off the land. So we're nice and ready. So yeah, man, that's what we're gonna do now. I'm gonna clean it up and show you what's going on. Alright? One up. People, I'm gonna get started now. And in all fairness, I'm gonna be honest with you, this juice is on me. So normally when I'm cooking, I'm gonna like, you see I always got my gloves. Yeah, everything I'm doing. So it's a good juice. If I was making it for other people, I'd have my gloves here and they got clean ones. So, my hands clean. I clean my hands, everything's good. Yeah, man, we're gonna use just basically, we're gonna do salsa for this one. Alright. This looks like the beef. Basically, what we're gonna do is peel. Yeah? Don't need nothing vegetable, peel up the skin. Okay? I'm gonna peel up the skin, that is there. And inside they got seeds. So we'll try to get rid of some of the seeds. Just make power inside. That's basically all of it. You can eat it straight, basically. That's how you eat the fruit. You eat it straight. I'll pop the seed up. In the middle, there'll be a heart. So this is the heart of the salsa, like a big long line. That's it. Or would you just chuck that away? No. Let's get rid of that. I'm just going to continue and clean up basically both of them. Do the next one. This is the big one. And the red salsa. Okay, so it's all finished. Get all of that out. So I'll cook them in. All the salsa goes, this one all the skin goes. Turn it to do that because it's all finished. So all that. Alright, so all the skin's been peeled, put over there. All of the two fruits, you can put over here. And get rid of that. And then what I'm going to do is add some water to this, and that's how I'm going to blend out and get the juice, basically. So yeah, that should be it. All right, my people. Yes. So that's 2 soursops. Peel with skin, chopped away with the skin, put away with the flesh into one bowl by itself. So then now, literally what I'm gonna do is add water to it and blend it together and get all of that juice, all of that flesh juice out of the fruit into the water, and then remove the seeds as well, strain it. So normally you just use what water you can use. Luckily, I'm in Jamaica. I was blessed. There's a place in Jamaica called Tavern. It's a little place where Bob Marley used to go and sit down by the rocks and write songs and relax. You know, Marcus Garvey used to be around there as well. But they've got spring water, basically natural spring water that comes out right near there. So I had the blessing and the opportunity to get some water. I'm a bit upset because a lot of it's finished. So I'm just going to do what I got left, and this is all I got left with the spring water. So I'm going to add this to it, and then just use our water I got left. But I'm just going to kind of see how much I get. Literally just pour in. Just pour in. You kind of, you know, you just size it up a little bit, innit? And you tell. So, you know, you're going to want a bit more than that, most probably, you know. So I think, to be fair, this might actually be enough water. You know, it might actually be enough. So I'll just leave that now. And what I'm going to do is blend it in like this. Do that. Let's put those things away. Continue blending there. That's basically the process. You know, a lot of people add many different things to their salsa. Some people add like condensed milk. You know, it's a very sweet milk. Some people add normal milk, like cow's milk. I don't have milk at all. I don't drink milk. So if I do, it's like an oat or almond milk. Yeah, so, or some people add water. Or some people don't actually add no water, neither milk, you know? Have it really thick. But they do add something, I can't remember what it is. So everyone has a little bit to it. You add lime and sugar. But this is going to be the most natural, ital version of me. Literally, I'm not adding much to this at all. What I'm adding is spring water and a little bit of sugar. That's about it. A little bit of cane sugar. And that's it. Drink is ready. You know, that's it. So I'm just squeezing it through as much as possible just to get all of those bits out. And in fairness, you see the texture? Could be a little bit more, you know? I'm just going to add a little bit more. Ooh. I think it's got just have it, to be fair. Yeah, I think that's actually a good amount. You know? So I continuously do that, and then eventually I'm going to start straining. Yes, sir. You know what time it is, right? Yeah, boy. All right, my people. So I still got quite a bit more straining to do, yeah? But what I'm going to do is I'm just going to strain and see where I get to, and then work from there. All right? Yeah, yes. Here we go. All right. I'm straining. So much I've got left to work with. If I have to add more water, add more water. And then I'll just start straining again from here. So what you're going to do is just take all of that bit that you had. Strainer, another bowl. Here, I'm going to strain it. Okay, all of that working. Just let that work through. And from here, we're going to strain it. And then strain through and get this off. See, you got the juice. We need to get it through. Now I'm just going to strain it through. Yeah? see that continuously. All the juices go. You're gonna have a lot of soursop left. What you should do, have quite a little bit left. And then you can squeeze that through. Add a little bit more water to it if you want to. It's all about the texture that you want as well. You know? Bearing in mind all the water being added to it. You want to get as much just to shape yourselves. See what I'm doing? Basically, all of this is strained through. And you can see how much I'm doing. So I'm just going to continue. Yeah. Got all of that strained, got this amount, straight pure soursop. Good to go. I don't think I'm even gonna add any sugar. I think I'm just gonna be pure today, Nice and, yeah, I think that's what we're gonna do today. No sugar now. Straight pure alkaline. Ital is vital, Good for the health. I'm gonna add a little bit more water to the rest of the soursop that I got left to strain. Let's make a little bit more. Alright. So give me a sec and I'll be right back. Alright, so I got a little bit more water. Just gonna toast on this water that we got from our water dispenser thing there. And that's it. Got that last little bit. And I'm gonna sit in there for a little while. Just a little bit, get through there. So I'll take out those last little bit of seeds. Literally, we're nearly there, guys. Some straight, pure, wonderful soursop juice. Live and fresh from Kingston, Jamaica. In Chef Haye's kitchen. Yeah. So yeah, guys. So from that soursop that we had, got all of that juice. Now it's pure alkaline juice. I don't think I'm adding no sugar to it, I'm being so honest. Straight ital is vital, you know what I'm saying? So then, yeah. Had to add a little bit more water, so I added a little bit more water from my water dispenser to it. So just letting that sit in there for a little bit. Squeeze that out, get that last bit in here, and we're good to go, man. We're pretty much finished, man. Some straight soursop juice, live and fresh from Kingston, Jamaica, in Chef Haye's kitchen. Oh, I miss it. Now just go and squeeze this through now. So the last little bit that I had, I added the water to, and then drain it. And I'll be right back. All right? Hola. All right, for the last time, let's go again. Okay. All that drained out. Just get all that. Alright, so yes, all the trash, skin, and all of the fruit. 2 times juiced. There's all our soursop juice. Literally ready to go. Obviously, you're gonna want a bit chilled, but like I said, I said we're gonna add no sugar, didn't I? But you know what? Had a little tablespoon of a taste. I think if I did a little bit of sugar. So, not too much, just gonna do a little bit of cane sugar. Yeah, look at sweetness, not too much. I hate that. Let's mix that up. Pop him in our bottle. Put him in the fridge to set, make it nice and cool. And I hate that. Yes, my people. So bless up. Here we are, man. Get the soursop juice all finished. Added the sugar to it. And some liquid.
Make a little mix and blend. That's it.
See the texture of it. It's watery, but not too watery. You have a little thickness that come over fruit. You don't add too much water to it. That's what you want. To be fair, you want to add your preference, you know? And this is pretty much my preference. Okay. Up. And just pop him into a bowl and put it to store. And you got to go. Let me see. I ate that soursop juice.